Okay, good morning class and welcome to today's lesson on how to set up your domain name and your free web hosting. We're going to use a website that I've used before, which is really easy to use, called directnick.com. It's a strange name, but trust me, it's a really good little website. One of the first things you're going to need to do if you haven't already done it is you need to create a new account. And just click on create a new account, and of course mine's going really slow this morning. Okay, it's going to ask you or tell you before you can register a domain or create a domain name that you've got to enter some basic information. So just go through, fill it all out. At this point you don't need any sort of credit card or payment information because you're just setting up an account. Once you have your account set up, go back to the home page, and I want you to think about a domain name following the instructions that I've given you. And you're going to just search right now for a domain name to see if it's available, first of all. So I'm going to go with social work. We're going to call it social work 400. Since there is no such thing, that's cool and fine and dandy and everything. And then I'm just going to click on the search button. The next page you come to will tell you, okay, you have one domain in your cart, and click here to check out. Because it's showing you socialwork400.com, .net.org, everything else is also available. For now, we're only interested in socialwork400.com. So that would be the name that we would go ahead and select. And if you also notice, it gives you some alternative domain names if you were interested in something like that. Once you now have your domain name and you're ready to check out, just click on it. And at this point, I'm going to pause because what you would need to do is log in with your username and your password and go ahead at this point and you can pay for your domain name. Once you've paid for your domain name, you need to send me the URL, which might be in this case socialwork300.com. Just going to show you an example. And here's an example of what the website that I created with the domain name looks like. Yours is going to look similar to this maybe, but we'll go over that at another date. So once again, you're going to go to directnick, and I'll just type in the domain name for you again, directnick.com. You need to create an account, and you need to select the domain name. And then you're going to send me the domain name that you've selected. You're going to post that in your Blackboard account. So I hope this has been a fairly easy little quick 3-minute or 4-minute lecture for you. And I look forward to everybody turning in, and doing a great job. Thanks.